We got released from the hospital. We went home. Everything was good except for the crying, which everyone was telling me it was normal.
Definitely had a feeling something was off. I think I was also trying to be hopeful that she was just being a newborn baby and crying a lot. And then we did notice that she was getting like a drooping eyelid. It looked swollen. There was like bruising.
We knew something was off because it was nonstop crying. We couldn't console her.
So we started doing our own research, literally Googling, my baby has a bruise on her eye, but it's not a bruise. And hemangioma started coming up. And that's how we came upon the Vascular Birthmark Institute. We brought her in, and just from them seeing her eye, they were like, it's bad. We went to the ophthalmologist and we realized that she had astigmatism in both eyes, and it also was affecting her optic nerve. And they were worried that if they didn't get the surgery done right away, that she could eventually go blind in that eye and just not even use it anymore. Because if she wasn't gonna be able to see out of it, her brain would stop sending signals to it, so they were adamant on us getting it out.
And they told us, it's gonna cost X amount of dollars, and we need 80% up front, and the day of the surgery, you could pay the rest. COVID happened. My wife went out of work. So when they told us the money and they're not giving us a payment option, we're like, what do we do?
We're gonna move down to Florida to be with his family. We kind of gave up on getting it done here.
I get a call from a 212 number. It was Dr. O's office. Spoke with Michelle. Her and I, we had like a heart-to-heart conversation. It wasn't doctor-patient, it was friend-friend conversation, heart-to-heart, stories, the whole nine. So she understood my situation, and the baby there was bigger issues than we thought because of how big and severe it was. They were basically describing it that her eye was shaped as a football because it was growing from behind her eye, smashing through the front and coming out the face. And being that she had blurred vision here, it was affecting there, which could jeopardize her complete vision. So she said, they can't work out a payment plan with you because I guess it goes through Lenox Hill Hospital. I said, they can't. I've been going back and forth with them for over a month now, trying everything I could do. She goes, all right, give me a few minutes. Let me see what I could do. I said, okay. She called me back 10 minutes later, and she told me to cancel my trip. And I was like, what do you mean, cancel my trip? She's like, I got it covered. I don't want to cry on camera, but I broke down in tears.
And then that following Wednesday, we were at Lenox Hill for her surgery. It happened fast, but it was an amazing blessing.
It's night and day difference. I didn't know the girl could smile until after the surgery.
I was speechless because just even after the surgery, even with the stitches, you could already see a big difference in the eye, and it was kind of amazing. With Dr. O and Michelle and Dr. Wayner, you could tell that they actually cared and wanted the best for her and to make sure that her future was gonna be bright as well.